This is an official video. How is that official? I don't know. That is the intro music. I hope you like it, huh? Okay, but you don't need to scream. Who was saying that? I'm a Piggy. Yeah, King Pig. Alright. Can you be quiet now so I can get on with the video? Okay, see you in the video. Hope you like it. Enjoy. Started. Pigs in an airship. Oink. I hope this goes well. Yeah, I want to be safe. But King Pig, I thought you said something else. Blah, blah, blah. That's all blabber. Oink. Now, let's get back to the airship. I'm going to steal these eggs and... Rah! Rah! Idiot! Uh-oh, the birds are coming. Go! The birds will never find us. Boss, don't you think this is a bit too cheating? No, I'll get it right too. I don't see any stars to collect. Me neither. One just quietly escaped from the birds. Okay. Here. Eevee. Yeah. What? What is that? Hey. Wait, was that an act? Just kidding, no. Look out! What? JK. You a bad pig. Oh, sorry. Hey, bird, I mean, pigs. We want to test your vehicle against all types of objects. Oh, wait, really? Ooh, sounds fun. Okay. We'll be back right after a short ad. Hey guys, have you ever watched the Samsung? That's a bad ad. Oh right, you don't get to scream to my face. Have you ever wanted to play Bad Piggy? Bad Piggy is a fun game. You get to play Angry Birds. Like, you don't put Angry Birds in that game. King Pig, why are you talking to me? Because I can't talk. Alright, don't just get in my face. You just said that. Bang. Wait, why isn't the person recording controlling us? I don't know. I think we're gonna crash into a tree. There ain't no trees here. Right, but still. Uh-oh. We need to pop balloons. close call. Thanks for saving us. Uh-oh. Mayday, mayday. There is no mayday. Okay, pigs are going. Anyways, this isn't bad at bye. Where are the pigs? Okay, back to bad pigs. Okay, hi pigs. Where were you? Making a noise. King pig. We must pop your balloons. Pop, pop, popping. What popping? I don't know what popping. Uh-oh, we're going down. It's a good thing. What, we're going up? Really? Ah. There's a ship. Are we going down finally? Yeah, it seems like that. And if you look at the pusher thingies with the fans, you'll see that we're going down. Uh-oh, it's a bit too fast. We need to slow down. Whoa! Now we're going up. Yeah. Phew, we made it safely. Hey, now we can drive back to Perth. Oh, our vehicle can drive? That's so cool. I know, right? This vehicle is amazing. Excuse me, but it's called an airship. Time for another act. Oh, no. All right. Yeah. See? We are back to base. Excuse me. I'll blow this up with TNT while you wait for it with the air. Hey! Have you ever wanted to do a new game mode? Oh. Hey! Stop that music! And use the computer. See? Don't you like it? No. Oh, this is as far as mine can go. Hey, mine can't go louder. Oh, that's super bad and bad. I like TNT. Alright, that's enough. You take a race and you big fat bomb. Yeah. Hey, did you just play one? I have a big fat car. No, I don't have a car. I need to be older. I know why. I hope you don't know that. This is much better than the big fire. 3, 2, 1. I'm going against guest. Hi, Mr. Haga Waga. Haga Saga. Uh-oh, pig. She's a good taster. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. And that is how you play and win. a foreman pig. Okay, no, I'm a foreman pig. Up. Excuse me, but you need to wait a bit. Alright, we're back. Pigs! I don't think you want to see this. Bye. Alright. Bye guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Bye. It's not always funny. They're right, you don't need to scream. Bye bye. Okay, that's the outro music. Bye.